Today we're presenting you the beautiful 23 XG. It is a cross trail by Coachmen. Now that particular Class C motorhome, it's unique. People, they buy this particular unit because for the amount of storage you have on this 23 foot, especially from outside. And we're gonna cover right now in the other video. The Coachmen cross trail and this Class C, it come on a Ford chassis, as you see right here. It's an E350 chassis. It's a beautiful, come with cameras in the back and big screen. Oh my god, a huge screen where you could do CarPlay, AM radio, autoplay, Apple CarPlay and Android CarPlay. And then there's a 110 plug as well, USB. Typical Ford chassis. All the features of the Ford is on. And then from here you have a nice double bed with a fantastic fan. So the people sleeping on this bed, if they want a fresh air coming in, they just turn that fantastic fan and they could bring cool air, or they could take the heat out. This has the fancy window. As you see, I want to show you the windows so you can understand. It's built in with the shade as well built with the screen. So if I want to keep the screen and open the window and let the fresh air coming in and no bugs, I could do that. If I want to go the screen up, and I could go the screen up and I could go the shade up if I want to. That's one of the things I like about the Cross Trail 23 XG is the window. They have really nice, you don't have that stupid string like some other brands banging against the wall, and you don't have to worry about the string getting loose. You have one over here, you have one right there over the cap, and you have one big one on the dinette. Now, as soon as you walk in, you have a big dinette, and this is a big dinette. We mean it. I could sit, as you see, I'm sitting comfy. I could sit another person next to me and two facing. So it has the big dinette. Across from the dinette, you have a big sink with a rise faucet, extension countertop, so you have more cooking area, a 3-burner range, as you see, and big with oven. Now this unit has 2 ovens. Tell me how you're gonna get 2 ovens in this unit. Well, guess what? This is a convection microwave, and you could tell from this ceiling I could cook here as well. It has also a regular microwave, so I could use as regular microwave, as I could use as a cooking oven electric, or I could use a propane oven here if I want to. There's a place here for cooking pans, place here for utensils, and behind us we have more storage. I could add more stuff for my board. All the light on this unit is LED, high ceilings, so there's no issue in the height. On the fridge, it comes with 11 cubic foot reefer, run off 12 volt, binaural, and then you have nice storage in the top. Look how deep it is. And then behind me I have full closet. I could hang more clothes. You could see big hanging. I could put stuff right there. And then I have doors for, you know, underwear, socks, and so on. And then we have the nice, I just show them how thick this mattress. I mean, this is high-end mattress on this motorhome, and so roomy. And again, we have a lot of storage. Oh man, it's a good mattress. And then over that corner, I could install a second TV if I want to. So this motorhome could handle 2 TVs, one in the bed area and one already come on the living area. All the back is the storage, as you see. Compartments open. And then when you lay down here, you have a plug for USB 110. There's a switch for reading if you want more lights. You have a big window here in the back corner, and you could use it as an emergency exit. And again, the 2 screen, you could do that. And full privacy. And then you have a AC and heaters controller. You have a vent over here if you want a fresh air coming in. So it's very roomy, this 23. But again, you need to see the outside, because people buy this motorhome just because the outside. And then you have a full bathroom, typical Coachmen bathroom. I like they utilize every corner storage, fan, and nice toilet, and they put it in an angle way so you have no issue with your knees. Plenty of room. Nice sink with mirrors. There's for towels, for storage. And then I like the finishing in their showers. You could wrap your hand here, put soap, dispensers, and then shower head, and then spray chemical and skylight. So this is the 23XG. Now, why we have too many Class C's in stock, but why I stock this one? Because the back is a game changer in the Class C, from the amount of storage, from the trunk in the back, from the pass-through storage, and let's go see it. This is a game changer in the Class C motorhome. This is what has sold this motorhome. Look how big the huge compartments in the back. I could put anything I want, from canoes to fishing poles. I could put dog cranes, whatever. The beauty about this one, it is give you the ability to have more stuff. We give you the step to get in. As you see here, there's a portable step. I could get in. There's a handle. I could close this door if I want to, and voila. And then I have full big storage on this unit. And then I could access the storage also from this side too, if I don't want to open the storage door from there. So look, huge. I could sit inside if I want to. The Crosstrail 23XG permanent chassis. It has the nice dual-coated cap on the front with LED light. As you see, it's a beautiful. This is a paint. This is not paper, not a decal. So this is a painted unit with power awning, LED light outside, TV bracket outside. Also, it has outside barbecue prep. And then you come here with leopard expandable ladder prep, backup camera, a big trunk. And then this one, if you want to take this step out, it's very simple and easy. You flip it, you put the pin, more storage. And then you have typical Coachmen Crosstrail, outside showers, all the city water connections, power hookup. And then you have the portable generator right here. It is full generators on board, so it's ready to camp, propane tank, and also more storage for this. So this is the Crosstrail 23XG. People buy this one because bigger bit in the back, bigger diamond inside, and a big trunk in the back. Come to Best RV and grab the 23XG ready for you.